Hi, beautiful children. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply 3 digits by 3 digits. Here we go. 235 times 149. I'm going to start in my ones place value, that number 9, and I'm going to be working it out in purple. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4, 31. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 3, 21. Next, I'm going to be doing the tens digit, and I'm going to be doing that in red. So before I start the tens digit, a couple of things need to happen. I finished my ones place value, so I'm going to cross out that 9. I'm going to erase all of these added numbers up at the top because they were from my ones place value. And I need a placeholder for that ones place value. Now that we finished the ones place value, we're working in the tens place value, which means that our answer needs to start in the tens place value. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Okay, so now we are done with the tens place value, and we're going to start working on the hundredths place value. And I'm going to be working that out in green. So now that we've finished the tens place value, I'm going to cross it out. I'm going to erase the tens place value numbers. And just like before, we had a placeholder for the ones place, but now we're finished with the ones place and the tens place, so we need a placeholder for both. We're working in the hundreds place value, so my answer needs to start in the hundreds place value. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. And 1 times 2 is 2. Now all we have to do is add the product for the ones place, the tens place value, and the hundreds place value together. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 9 is 12, 13, 14, 15. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Awesome, so we're done multiplying. In this case, since there's no decimals, we could just leave it like this, or we can add a comma in between the hundreds place and the thousands place. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The comma goes in between. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Good luck with your multiplying. Bye.